Hello everyone, this is a review of the Dash Cam. It shoots at 1080p and 720p. It has collision detection and a bunch of other neat little features. I have it right here on the top right corner of my Silverado. It's currently not on or plugged in because of no fault of its own. I just haven't yet ran the cord, but I tested it out for a few days and I plan to run the cord after this after I make this review video of it. So that's horrible lighting. Maybe I can get the front of the camera here. I can't really pick it up, but anyways, this thing's been awesome for me. The app only has about 2 stars that you connect with this. It connects via Wi-Fi. I didn't have any problems at all. Everything worked the first time and it was really quick and easy. So I'm not sure what was going on. Maybe they've updated it since, but yeah, the app was easy to use, and like I said, I've been using this. It has collision detection, so I just kind of wanted to get one. As more and more people come into Phoenix, there's going to be more and more cars and therefore crazy drivers. So but yeah, overall this is really nice. Make sure you have an SD card, a micro SD card. Otherwise it's not going to work, and you won't be able to use it. So yeah, everything connected the first time. It's pretty clear video. I'm pretty surprised about that for the camera, but yeah, it's clear video. It's a very small unit. Like, let me put my hand up to it. It's not very big. So I didn't want to put it in the middle here because I didn't want to have a cord running down, though I could run it up into the headliner. But we'll see. My headline is pretty damaged, so I need to replace that. So maybe when I replace that, I'll end up moving the cam into the center location. But yeah, overall, I really like the product. 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks.